Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this gorgeous, glamorous, effortless makeup look that I like to do every day and I am obsessed with. First thing I like to do is go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and our Got2b Glue Gel to comb out our brows and make them look as full and beautiful as possible because I do have sparse brows. Letting them dry, I'll go back in later with some brow pen, but for now we're going to focus on complexion. Here I'm using the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 5.75, and I really like to press it onto the skin and give a more light to medium coverage foundation since this is something I do wear every day. And then just pressing it on with this cosmetic brush, it just gives a flawless look. Next, I'm going in with the Merit Cosmetics Solo Shadow in the shade Brune onto the crease just to add some dimension and really just blending that color into the crease and making it seem like it just fades out on the outer corner of our eyelids. Using the Armani Beauty in the shade 445, I like to apply this straight onto the eyelid and blend out with my ring finger. It is a very blendable, versatile product to add to your makeup bag if you haven't already. I usually like to add some sparkle when it comes to everyday makeup look as opposed to using a more matte natural product. And then adding some onto the tear duct does give it a pop as well. Here I am then using the eye tint for Armani Beauty in the shade W66, and hear me out, like I had mentioned earlier, this product is definitely a versatile product. I am actually using it as an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, and I know right now it looks a little messy, but honestly just play around with it and you do get better at it. And just maybe using some micellar water like I am using from Garnier, I just clean out the edges and it looks so good, and it lasts all night, by the way. I'm then using the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Concealer in the shade 4. It is a tad bit lighter for my skin tone. That was my mistake. I'll definitely get a shade 5 or 6 for next time I go and buy these products. But other than that, it is a very creamy formula and it blends out so nicely. And here I'm using my all-time favorite Fenty Beauty Green Contour Stick in the shade Mocha, putting this into the hollow areas of my cheek and around my forehead, and as well as slimming down my nose, adding just a tad bit around the sides. This is #1 staple in my makeup kit. I've had it for years and I can't recommend it enough. Here's the time where I then decide to fill in my brows with my NYX Cosmetics brow pen in the shade Ash Brown. And if you're looking for your next brow product, I highly recommend this brow pen as opposed to a brow pencil. If you use it very lightly, it does look like hairline strokes added onto your brows. So then here's the time where I'm going to take a decent amount of time just blending out this contour and under eye concealer to put in this makeup look together. Using the Real Techniques brush in number 300, and then also the Real Techniques brush under my eye is the 200. I got it as a package deal at CVS and I actually saw it at Ulta for like $12. So if you're looking for your next makeup brushes, I highly recommend going to the drugstores because these brushes do feel like luxury. Once everything has been blended out to my liking, I like to go in with the Dermablend translucent powder and a powder puff and place it right under my eyes to avoid any creases. And later on, I'll go back in after a couple minutes and just dust it off. Next, going in with the Luminous Silk Glow Blush in the shade 61. I like to add it onto the apples of my cheeks, but actually really blend it out upwards as I above my bronzer or my contour area. And last but not least, I like to go in with the Luminous Silk highlighter, and if I'm not mistaken is the shade 62, but I may be wrong. And then going in with the Tarte Cosmetics eyelash curler and L'Oreal Voluminous mascara in the waterproof formula to hold my curls all day. Next, going in with the Milani lip liner in the shade Spice to outline my lips. I then go in with the Armani Beauty lip powder in the shade 110, and it is a gorgeous mauve everyday color that you should totally add to your makeup bag if you're looking for an everyday lipstick. Other than that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on the next one. Bye!